Guidelines and characteristics: capacity, 2,199 milliliters, diesel, 4-cylindrical count, power 197 horsepower at 3,800 revolutions per minute. 440 Newton meters at 2,850 revolutions per minute. 8 AWD, or speed automatic transmission, electronic parking brake featuring auto hold, tilt and telescopic steering. Smartphone charger for wireless. Blue Link, get in touch with your automobile. Horizontal sunroof. Show audio together with smartphone integration. System premium sound for Infinity. System of 6 airbags. Reverse cross-traffic collision avoidance aid, RCCA-RVM, or rear view monitoring. Assist in blind spot collision avoidance, or BCA assist control for hill start, HAC assist with lane keeping, LKA lane following assist, LFA forward collision avoidance aid, FCA driven mode and terrain mode. What fresh features the 2024 Hyundai Palisade? The 2024 Palisade presents a new trims lineup. Designed to appeal to clients looking for a unique design, the Calligraphy Night Edition accentuates the opulence of the Palisade calligraphy with a sleek blacked-out technique. Furthermore, included on more trims for this model year is dual automatic temperature control. The Palisade trims and features for 2024. The 2024 Palisade comes in SE, Cell, XRT, Limited, Calligraphy, and Night Edition among other trim options. While prior trims include advanced editions, each trim preserves many opulent elements from the year before. The front end and side panel exquisite curves have been kept in the sophisticated exterior design. Two-tone bumpers, 18-inch alloy wheels, and a black grille surrounded with silver paint define the SE trim. Front and rear skid plates, 20-inch alloy wheels, and a standard acoustic windscreen for a quiet cabin define the XRT trim's more tough look. With the calligraphy specification providing superior Napa leather seating, an 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, and an underfloor storage compartment for goods, interior elements are also rather remarkable and creative. Which safety elements will the Palisade of 2024 include? Conveniently located in the 12.3-inch digital instrument panel, the standard blind spot view monitor comes with the Limited, Calligraphy, and Night Edition trims and offers quick views of blind spots. Hyundai has also included a standard head-up display to these models, therefore improving the general safety aspects. On the big inside touchscreen, a rear-view monitor including parking guidance is accessible for parking help, therefore easing difficult parking situations. Families would find the Palisade perfect since it gives performance as well as safety first priority.